this is a time to appreciate our AmeriCorps as well. I'm really thankful that we have AmeriCorps because, you know, like being here today, I don't know if I'd have been able to be doing this without the help of my AmeriCorps. So I would like to introduce him. And Savannah McReynolds has been with us the longest. When you go to our YouTube channel, she's our video goddess. And then who's been with us the second longest is Amanda Blake. And she manages Seed Library. When you come to one of our classes, she's the person that helped prepare. She's the person that planted these trees. She is program support. And our newest AmeriCorps member, Connie Waddell, has just been on for a couple weeks. Her primary responsibility is going to be getting the school gardens going and working with the teachers, like between us at the extension and the school. So she just kind of rides herd and keeps track of things at the schools. So this is all stuff AmeriCorps does. And like I say, without AmeriCorps, our programs would be a shadow of what they are today. So for our AmeriCorps, yeah.